Divide using synthetic division. Well, in order to do synthetic division, I have to put everything in order first. So I'm going to make this k to the third minus 4k squared minus 30k minus 18 divided by k plus 3. Everything's in order. Now to set up synthetic division, what you're going to do is you're going to put the opposite root in here, so negative 3, and you're going to write out these coefficients in order. So your invisible 1, negative 4, negative 30, negative 18. Drop down the 1. So synthetic division, the first step is to always drop down the first number, so drop down the 1. Take that 1, multiply it to your root, and put that directly underneath the next number. Take these two numbers and add them. Negative 7, repeat the process. Negative 7 times negative 3 is positive 21. Negative 30 plus 21 is going to be negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 3 is 27. Negative 18 plus 27 gives me a remainder of positive 9. Now, in order to set up our answer, we start out with a non-remainder number and attach nothing. Then we attach a k, in this case, and then we attach a k squared. Okay, so your negative is already there, the negative is already there. My remainder was 9. So the way I put my remainder there is some teachers might be okay with you saying remainder 9, or you can write out plus that 9 over what you originally divided by 3 plus k. So if I wanted to, I can rewrite this out as this, because 1k squared is useless. K squared minus 7k minus 9 plus 9 over 3 plus k, k plus 3, it's all good, it's all the same. That's going to be our guy, and we are going to be done.